should we remember anyone's name? Well, there's very important things that we need to remember. So there's actually some funny cartoons out there, right? Here's one by Dilbert. We met last week. We did. I only try to remember the things that might be important. Everything else I flush. My name is Randy. Flush. Well, there is a book out there by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And one of the quotes in his book is he basically says, remember that a person's name to that person is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. So this is the secret of the rich. So what I used to do is I basically used to have a big list. I'd meet people all around town and I'd just write them in a big iPhone note. Well, after a while it became cumbersome. I'd walk into Starbucks and I'd have to look through it all and be like, I met Vance and who was there. So I basically decided to build this Name Wizard app. What this map that basically does is it takes this note and it sorts it based on my location. So if I met someone, let's say we are here and we are at Starbucks or some restaurant and I meet Ashley over there, and then I go somewhere else and then I meet David, and then I go to another place and I meet Hassan. Well, what my app does is it basically takes me and based on where I am, if I am over here closer to Ashley, whenever I launch the app, the very first name inside of the app is going to show that person right there 0 feet away. And then if I walk over here and I'm closer to David, the app just resorts the entire list you already have, but it does it by distance of where I am and where I had originally saved it. Obviously, David's not always going to be there, and this works mainly for people that work in specific locations. But it's very, very helpful. It turns complete strangers into acquaintances, and acquaintances can soon become friends. So feel free to download this app. It is on the App Store and it is free. It is called Name Wizard, and I hope you enjoy it.